Hello Sagittarius, this is your monthly reading for the month of June. So let's check out your love energy for the month of June. Ace of Cup. So this is like you are working upon yourself. There are some sort of a new beginnings in your life. So this is full of like you are learning your self growth. You total focus upon your new beginnings. You have a lot of love and emotions to offer to your near and dear ones. So this is like a beautiful energy of newness in your life when you feel a lot of love for others, right? And you are totally focused upon your self love. This is like you learning self love and unconditional love. So let's see your partner's love energy towards you. King of Wands. So your partner is very passionate for you, and this is like they are totally in their confidence. This person is very intuitive. This person is very attractive. This person having a lot of passion for you, and they are totally in their power. So let's see your love energy for the month of June. Okay, so you have the Eight of Pentacles and the Page of Swords. You are totally focused upon yourself, upon your work area, whatever the Pentacles, money area. You are too much focused upon your money area, and you are working hard for the Pentacles for financial stability in your life. Or maybe this is also like you are working upon your soul growth. Page of sword, but at the same time you are also stalking someone from the far. Maybe you are just simply checking upon the social media of another person or something, but you are stalking your partner. So let's see your partner's love energy. Your partner's love energy for the month of June towards you. So we have Eight of Swords, Knight of Swords, and the Six of Pentacles. So your partner having a lot of fears regarding something. They are trapped, they are feeling stuck because this person having a lot of illusions in their mind, and they are fearful of something, but that is just illusions. They don't need to fear about anything, but they are fearing about something, and they do want to communicate with you eagerly, and they are rushing towards you. They eagerly want a communication. And the Six of Pentacle, they providing their helping hand to someone in their life currently. Maybe they are helping you or maybe someone else, but this person is like in their mode of kindness when they are helping others. So let's see the final outcome of your connection. Final outcome for my beautiful Sagittarius for the month of June. So, okay, beautiful. Four of Wands. So this is like a reunion. This is like a some good time period, dating, right? You are spending or organizing some. You are organizing some type of a, like a date with your partner or something like a reconciliation or like a reunion. So you are celebrating with your partner. 1111 again. This is a symbol of twin flame. So let me check out any advice for my beautiful Sagittarius for the month of June? Any advice? Okay, so we have the Master Jesus. So, forgiveness. So, this is the message. You are on a path of light, love, forgiveness. Father, healing is possible at this time. So, if you have any issues with your family members that need to be healed, that need to be, you have to be forgive your near and dear ones if someone hurt you in some sort of a way. So, this is the advice for my beautiful Sagittarius, right? So, let me take any strength in the month of June that you have, your strength in the month of June. So what you have giraffe, visionary, visionary, rise above earthly matters, glide through life with grace. You are able to see right path. Stand tall in your self-worth and love with a big heart. So this is the like a beautiful message for you when you have to expand your consciousness, your way of thinking. You have to see right path. You have to realize your self-worth with a big heart, right? You have to be a big heart for others. So this is the beautiful reading for my beautiful Sagittarius. If you like, then like, share and subscribe. Okay, bye bye.